So what's up, everybody? Jason here with Swift Family Farm, and it's a snowy time. We are here at the, I guess the 20th, I think it is, of February. Temperature says 30 degrees, feels like 23. Well, we haven't gotten any snow, any significant amount of snow in our area for quite some time. And when I say quite some time, I mean years. And this is our third snow, I think, of the year. So I don't know. I enjoy the snow. I like how it comes and goes. I don't like for it to hang around here very long. It's cold. It's breezy right now. And man, I'm going to tell you what, just not used to it. I know there's places on this earth that are a whole lot colder than it is, but when you're not used to it, you're just not used to it. The chickens have come out and they have scraped away all the snow and they're doing some eating. What you guys up to? Nice and cold out here, isn't it? So anyway, that's some of the chickens. We'll just show you guys what it looks like around here with the snow and all the animals. We won't be out here long. What's up, goats? What y'all doing, huh? Hey, what you doing, Cinnamon? What you doing in there, Violet? Huh? Oh, there's Lucky. Hey, Lucky. What you doing, girl? Huh? What you doing, girl? I see y'all. Y'all silly goats. It's cold, ain't it? Yeah, it's cold. Let's go see what these pigs are up to. Oh, hey, girl. What are you doing over there, eating? I know it. Oh, what do you think about it, big boy? Huh? What do you think, man? Huh? Look at them teeth. What do you think of that, girl? Oh, I see you. You want me to come pat you? I know. I know. What do you think about it, big boy? Huh? What do you think about it, man? Whew, cold for you? Oh, yeah, it's plenty cold. Let's go over here and see Winnie. Come on. Hey, Winnie, girl. Well, you been pacing. You ain't got no snow left in your area. Oh, but it's a nasty, muddy mess, ain't it? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. What you doing? Come on over here, girl. Let's see you. Come here. I know it. What are you doing, girl? What you doing? Yeah. So anyway, it's cold. I wanted to show you guys something. I don't know if I really showed this before, but it looks kind of cool now that with the snow and all. Let's show you the vineyard back here. This is the area that we did our little bush hogging project on. Nice and clear back here. But look at that. If you guys can see the vineyard back there or not. Not much to really see. Let's get through this fence here. There you go. But anyway, hoping to maybe get a little bit better view of the vineyard back here behind me this summer when it starts growing up nice and all that. That'll be cool. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little update on what it looks like in the snow around here. Hey, what y'all doing, huh? What you kids doing back here in the snow? Huh? What y'all doing? Huh? Huh? What do you think? I know. You're a camera hog. Yeah, you're a camera hog. Oh, but anyway, nice and cold. I stayed home from work, but I did work at home. Got right much more done than I thought I was going to. So, anywho, yeah, everybody's just kind of hanging out. I don't know that they like the snow. Hershey likes the snow. Or Chocolate Lab, he comes out here and runs around and plays in it. Anywho, hope everybody else is doing well, faring well in the snow. But anyway, yeah, just a little update. So anyway, you guys be good. We'll see you around, and until the next video, God bless. We'll see you.
Pumbaa. Hi, Hello.